Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make homemade Patak's Madras Kebab curry paste. Here is my simple to make copycat recipe. You will need 4 tablespoons of rapeseed oil, 2 teaspoons of water, half a teaspoon of vinegar, half a teaspoon of tamarind paste, 3 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika powder, 2 teaspoons of ginger powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of rice flour, half a teaspoon of fenugreek powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, quarter of a teaspoon of chili powder, quarter of a teaspoon of mustard powder, and quarter of a teaspoon of garlic powder. Combine all the dry powders in a clean dish or bowl. Then mix the water, vinegar and tamarind together and add to the mixed powders. Finally, stir in the oil, mix thoroughly, transfer to a clean jar or pot and allow to infuse for a couple of days. Alternatively, you can add all the ingredients to a pan on very low heat to gently infuse the spices into the oil. Ensure you don't burn them and then allow to cool slightly before storing in an airtight jar or container. Always use a clean dry spoon when removing the paste. As always, I would really appreciate if you would take a second to like the video and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.